passengers can remain seated within the holding area of gate number 14 and wait for your roll numbers to be called.
Pinamahing flight year A1 to Hong Kong is now boarding through gate 14. Requesting ang mga kababa passengers, please board your around number B14 of the please.
Good afternoon, thank you for waiting. Philippine Airlines flight PR3031 bound for Hong Kong is currently outside passengers traveling with infants, small children, and elderly passengers. Once again, passengers traveling with infants, small children, and elderly passengers. For the rest of the passengers, can remain seated within the holding area of gate number 14 and wait for your roll numbers to be completed.
Good afternoon to all departing passengers traveling on Philippine Airlines flight PR402 bound for Incheon. There has been changes in your boarding gate assignment. Your new boarding gate assignment now is at gate number 4. Once again, for the information of all departing passengers traveling on